hapon sa inyong lahat. Isang malaking kagalakan ang makasama kayong lahat sa ating year-end party ngayong gabi.
Walang iyakan.
Kataon upang magpasalamat, magdiwang at magsaya sa lahat ng ating natamo at mga pagsubok na nalampasan sa loob ng taon. Sa bawat isa sa atin, ang inyong sipag at dedikasyon ay suporta ay siyang naging dahilan ang ating tagumpay bilang isang kumpanya. Naway maging makulay at masaya ang gabing ito at magsilbing inspirasyon para sa mas magagandang bagay na darating sa sunod na taon. Maraming salamat at mag-enjoy tayong lahat sa gabing ito. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Thank you.
Wala mo kayo mga komedyan! Alright, thank you so much, Miss Larabelle, for that very inspiring message. Alright, okay, get ready to be entertained for this amazing and maybe even a little inspired. So next up, we have an intermission performance that's guaranteed to light up the stage and give the energy high. Now, let's give it up for Miss Vinci and Lillian. Okay, mamaya na daw. Alright, so, everyone, it's time to turn up the energy because we were going to be having our first raffle entry. Excited ba lahat for the raffle entries? Are you guys excited? And I know, we've all been waiting for this moment. And trust me, the prizes we have lined up tonight are worth and the anticipation. So what we are waiting